Is it just me, or does Zart look super duper tired? Well, I couldn't believe it. My elves on the shelf brought me a cute purple lamb. Look how cute she is. And she's smiling. Oh, wow, she's so heavy too. I can't believe it. Ooh, look at all that magic. Oh, look what Biggie wrote. Is magic crystals inside Biggie? But what's funny is there's 3 charms inside of her. Oh, is that glitter? No, it's not glitter. I thought it was for a second. Wow. There's a charm. Okay, let's cut her open and we can find the charms together, okay? Oh, this is tough. Woo! Okay, thought it was gonna explode on me. Looks like we have to do a little bit more. Oh boy. Woo, that was scary. Scary like a puppy dog. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for the charms. Let's see which ones come out. Whoa, there's a lot of liquid in there. Okay, come on, let's see. 3 charms are inside of her. Which charm's gonna come out next? She's still so cute, I can't get over it. Oh. There's no magic charms coming out yet. Wow, the anticipation is there. Wow, she's still cute. In fact, I think she got cuter. No. Okay. I see a charm coming. It's coming. Do you see it? It's yellow. I wonder what it is. Okay, let's see. Is it a star? Oh, wow. It's a little yellow lightning bolt. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, now we have 2 more charms inside of her. Let's find them. Okay. Oh, whoa. I see one rising to the top. Do you see it right there? Okay, let's see. Where is it? Oh, no, not here yet. Oh. Okay, there it is again. Do you see it? It's the blue one. Okay. Oh, look at it. It is a beautiful blue crown. Wow. Look at that. Oh, look, there's a heart in the center. Can you believe it? Whoa, that little crown is so cute. Okay, there's one more charm left inside of this cute little lamb. Let's find it. Boy, it's hard digging for the charms of the world. Come on, let's find the charm. Oh. Oh no. We didn't find the charm yet. Okay, well, let's keep going. We're gonna find it. Not to worry, Scarella family. We're gonna find it together. No charms yet. Let's shake it all. Let's shake her down. Okay, here we go. Let's find it. Let's find it. Okay. Okay. I don't understand where it could be. There's still no charm. We must find the charm. We must find the charm. Say it with me. We must find the charm. We must find the charm. Oh, I found it! The magic charm! Wow. It's a purple heart. It's so cute. Well, I'm gonna have to put all the balls back inside of her and then stitch her back up and send her to the North Pole so Santa Claus can fix her because she is much too cute. But if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching. And I love my elves. Do you love my elves? Comment down below and let me know.